Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making chicken wings, deep fried chicken wing. I'm going to fry it twice so it'll be more crispier. And I'm going to try to make three types. The first type is just going to be fish sauce. And then the other one, I'm going to try this. This is something different. Babadook, you know, the spicy ramen noodle. I'm going to try to use this sauce with honey. See how that tastes. And then the third one is just going to be a salt, pepper, and a garlic powder kind of toss up. That's it. So I'm going to get started. Here's my chicken. I already washed it already. I just kind of want it a little bit dry, so I'm going to kind of toss it up in here. Dry it out a little bit more before I put the potato starch in here. If you don't have potato starch, you can also use cornstarch. So, and this chicken is about 4 to 5 pounds, and I already got the pre-portioned one that's already cut from the mini drum, the drumlet, and the flaps. This one doesn't have no tips at all. Oh, now I'm gonna put a dash of a pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Just dash it on. And I'm gonna mix it. Okay, now I'm gonna add potato starch, or you can use cornstarch. Just gonna dump it in. I might probably use half a bag here. We'll see. Start off with that first. Let you toss it so it gets a coating. And then try to make sure it's all covered. I fried the chicken. It's hot. It's ready. I'm gonna fry it twice. So there's the first pound. First batch there. It's been 10 minutes, and occasionally stir it here and there so it's kind of brown all over. I'm gonna take it out. There's my timer. Then I'll start on my second batch. Okay, I had pre-made the fish sauce here with lime, sugar, salt, and garlic, little chili pepper. I'm gonna add honey. I'm just gonna heat it up real quick where it boils, and I'll turn it off. I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's see how thick it gets. I probably need to do 2. That's 1 there. It's boiling, and I'm just going to turn it off. Let it cool down in the sauce. If you don't want to use honey, you can also use corn syrup, make it thicker, and it's still sweet. Let that sort put aside, and I'll pour it on the chicken. For the second sauce, I'll put it on low first. I'm gonna add this Babadook, the ramen hot sauce. I think it's really hot. I like this. I found this at Walmart. They have the Asian store too. So just squeezing in there how much you want. Probably try to use about half a cup. Not too much, or that's good enough. I always make more. I'm going to try to use 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll do another one, 2. And then also I'm going to season it with sesame. Kind of top it. I'm just going to let this simmer and get the honey to melt a little bit, and then just turn it off. Okay, I'm going to refry my chicken again. This is the second time for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to do 3. I don't think it needs 5. going to divide the chicken in three portions because I'm going to do different, three seasoning. When you're making chicken wings, it can't go bad. That's one. The first one I'm going to do a dry kind of shake with the just black pepper, a dash of black pepper, some salt, and garlic powder. That's it. And I'm just going to give it a toss. Very simple. You can do this to put any kind of dip you want, you know, your favorite dip or sauce, or you could just eat it plain. Chicken. Let me just kind of go ahead and take this one. Don't forget, I cook it twice. You can always have extra, you can save it. Reheat it up. Okay. Let's do the Hodok sauce, the spicy robin flavor. This one's really spicy. This one's and try to drizzle it on. If you want to, you can probably paste it too. Just toss that up. And you can add more if you want. But I think it's going to be spicy. Cover it more. Okay, that's good. And then put that one there. I'll put some sesame seed on it. Sprinkle it on. Second one. And the last one, just gotta get a clean bowl. This one's gonna be the fish sauce. Gently toss it. Fish sauce kind of pour it in the middle there. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle this one with a little bit of cilantro. And if you want a little bit more pepper, you can cut up the Thai chili pepper.